Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So tonight, for group 22, LAX 2026. So first we introduce our name. My name is Wal Haris bin Abdul Halim, 185085.
Hi, my name is Shandira binti Hamid. My metric number is 178265.
My name is Muhammad Surudin bin Hafiz, 182236.
Hi, I'm Suhaimi Jesu, 185035.
Hi, my name is Aida Azhar Abdulrahman. My metric number is 11125.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Delmi bin Rahmat, 185805.
My name is Muhammad Fidel Nazmi bin Abdullah, 184988.
Hi, my name is Ridwan Habib Muhammad 173198.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad 184488.
Hi, my name is Uzair Ashraf bin Jamaluddin. My metric number 175224.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Farhan bin Fauzi. My metric number is 182232.
So today our pair, me and Farhan, will talk about the theme is the natural phenomena. So as fast as I can, I remember. This is from YouTube. What I saw is from YouTube. There's a case that actually happened in Malaysia and outside and in Europe. The natural phenomenon is about the humming sound that come from the earth. That actually the sound like trumpet, the woo, like that. I just demo. But what is the bizarre is the sound that from coming is actually it's so scared and disturb to everyone because there's nothing on the sky. Like sometimes they can think that it's actually came from the plane, aeroplane or jet. But however, this is the sound that like it spread to the whole region, and then and the sound we don't know where's the come source. Like actually, when we hear the sound, we know where it come from, to the left or the right or right. Right. So but actually this sound is like you actually in a bowl, like you in the bowl, and the sound come from the spread to the whole space. So that's make so bizarre. Yeah, because it's happened in Malaysia, in Sabah, and Europe. I don't remember. It's also happened, and I can show the demo or there's no phone, so I cannot show the example of the video.
So usually, how long the duration?
Yeah, when it takes about like 1 hour.
The frequency.
Doesn't investigate to that, but however, if you in that place and at that time, I mean you will be scared because in Indonesia we think that is kiamat, right? But this is actually the reality that happened for our natural phenomena. I don't know because even the scientists also don't know what is happen. What is the thing that make that happen?
So the people from that region is moving.
Actually they from the record, they only record the video and stay at their place, not really moving because there's no there's no like signal or instruction from the orders from the government or whatsoever. So they just stay in their place. But however, if you in that place, I think you might be scared.
I think that one is Sangkakala.
Yeah, what we think is the Sangkakala. Okay.
But is there any experiment from the NASA or something society that support the evidence that this is come from another planet or something or the galaxy maybe?
What I see in the portal, in the web, they said that there's nothing that can be proved experiment from any organization, because if NASA said that true, they will talk already. But however, this is only the questions to the victims of the humming sound. So I mean, until now there's no evidence and discussion about that.
Alright, the next story is about a river which is located in China. So this river is actually among the longest in the world, which in the 6th rank in the world. So what happened is there, the flood happened that will cause the highest death in the world. So maybe if we compare to the Malaysia, if let's say Kelantan face the flood problem, we can estimate a few number, or at least really little number of that. So in China, it's actually will cause about 1 to 4 million people dead. So this happened in year 1938. So what happened is that the embankment of the river itself is actually collapsed, or is some sort of soil erosion. So this is actually influence the effect to the society and the community, which about 200,000 people lost their homes. So this phenomena is actually will affect many people, society, and I think that is so bizarre is actually the amount and the scale of how affect the natural phenomena affect the society.
Yeah, to me, because you said 1930 something, right? Yeah, I think that age people's more live or their house located near the river for agriculture.
At that particular time, they find the cost living, or maybe the source of income is mostly from the agriculture part. So if let's say the big flood happened, so it's actually will affect all the society. Next.
Resolution? So I will continue for our thing, natural phenomena. So have you ever heard about the moving stones? The moving stone that actually moves by itself.
Desert.
Yeah, it's at the desert. Do you ever heard?
Yeah.
So there are some people that heard about that. Right? So actually, it actually happened in Death Valley, USA, United States of America. From the aerial photograph, which means the photograph taken from the aeroplane, there's some stone that moving by itself throughout to the desert, and they make a line without any step from the animal or human, which means there only what might we say yeah, there's no interference about the moving stones. And the weird is, if the scientists said that it because of the when during they have 4 summers, right? So when the cool four seasons, yeah, when they in a cool season, there's no winter season. Yeah, so in the winter season, it's like there might be a formation of ice under the stones, and it will become like layer. And when summer, it will melt, and because of the wind, they will slide through the desert.
How fast is the rock moving?
Actually, it's when you see from face to face, you cannot see they move. Actually, it might happen when 1 day, 2 days, you will see the movement.
It's moved by bit a bit.
Yeah, like that. Yes, like move bit like bit by bit. But but I'm not done with the story of the scientists when they said that. The weird thing is the stone is not all the stone that in the desert not move in the same direction. I mean, if in one place maybe it's only one flow of the wind, right? But however, the stones, some stone they across each other, which means their movement like horizontally wrong direction. I mean, if that the winds and because of the ice that melt and they move, how come from the wind the same direction of wind can produce the different direction of the movement? So that's the thing that natural phenomena just only can be discussed, but nothing can be proven. Any question?
Is it the stone is big or small?
Actually, the stones is like the shape of the helmet we wear, which means how heavy this rock, but it can move itself through the desert, not on water, that dry desert. How can they move? Because when we see like the effect from the movement on the desert, the sand on the sand, you see like it's like a heavy rock that pushed by someone. It's not like it can move itself, but it's like moved by someone, because that's like if we push the rock, we will see the sand will become spread, right, in the direction, right, so the spread if that is happen in the, but there's no step or whichever
Invisible man.
Is it your story it contain of the changes of the rocks from igneous rocks or in the scientific part?
In the scientific, because the rock is actually, it's not the rock from the soil. It's actually, if you see the desert, right, there's a rock on top of the surface, right? That's like that. Just a rock, a little rock just like that, and they move itself.
A rock on the surface.
Yeah, rock on the surface. It's not the formation of the rock igneous whatsoever.
Alright.
Sorry.
The last story is about a place in Indonesia. So we call it as a Kala Agent.
Kila Agent.
So what happened is that
Kela agent.
Kila Agent.
Can you spell it?
Kawa, KAWAHIJEL, Kawa Agent.
Oh,
But the song in English is Kila Agent.
Oh, it's from the
What happened is that there is a mountain. As we know that Indonesian will have such volcanoes, right? So what happened is that the last erupted of the volcanoes in 1999, which is 20 years by now. It will produce a small lake that contain of the blue color of clay. So what is special is that
Is it located at Bandung?
no, Bandung is only a few. So this one is that's so bizarre because the blue lake is actually have the highest acidic water. So the lake is actually have contain the highest acidic the water, because the two researcher which they come out and they hike at that place, which is about 2-hour hiking, and to the lower part is about 45 minutes. So what they can pick the sample is that the pH is 0.5 to 0.7.
Too acidic.
Yeah, too acidic. And the scientists prove is that the water, the source of water is the most acidic in the world from this part of the lake, from the volcano erupted. So another thing that that's so weird is actually the blue flare. In the night we can see the lake is having the blue flare. It's like the sulfuric acid in science, sulfuric acid. Erupt. So the flare is about 2 to 5 meter high. Yeah. 2 to 5 meter high. So this place is actually, if you search in Google, it is one of the attracted tourist place.
Attraction.
So because this known as the blue flare. You see, in this place.
So it's just for attraction only.
Attraction.
Nobody can enter, right?
Yeah,
Like
but it's actually the challenging part because we need to hide in something. If you want to
in
see
Pasir Gudang have one blue.
It's not Pasir Gudang, it's in Sri Alam.
In the area of Pasir Gudang.
Dalam near to Kota Masar, right?
Yes.
And
Also, there's a place where you can go.
yeah.
So
I heard about that kawah at Bandung.
Bandung is like the white color space, right?
And I think the color is also emerald blue.
Because this color is very unique because it's like turquoise. The sun is turquoise.
Turquoise, not blue.
turquoise, you know turquoise?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So,
We
okay, we good. So the first story is about humming sounds that come from the earth, from the sky.
The second one is Yellow River from China.
And the third one is the moving stone that move by itself. And the last one is
The place is at Kawah Ijen in
Kawah
Indonesia.
Ijen. So,
voting for number one
that
story.
was it.
I think that one is
Five.
most bizarre.
Yeah.
Five.
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 Win,
So
win.
I mean that's no.
No.
The second video.
The
No.
river. Oh
The,
no.
the third video.
The
Third story.
No.
three.
So
Okay.
I mean it's actually the winner is the first story. It's about the humming sound. So that's
It's so bizarre.
so good. So that's all from us.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.